Namaste. My name is JVN Rishi Gautam from Department of Journalism. Today's topic is Internet in India. Internet in India began in 1986 and was available only to the educational and research community. It was publicly available from 15th August 1995. As of 2020, there are 718.74 million active internet users that comprise 54.29% of the population. As of May 24, the internet is delivered to India mainly by 9 different undersea fibers, including SEA, MEWV3, Way of Bengal Gateway, and Europe India Gateway, arriving at 5 different landing points. India also has one overland internet connection at the city of Agartala near the border with Bangladesh. The Indian government has embarked on projects such as BharatNet, DigitalNet, Made in India, and Startup India. To further expedite the growth of internet-based ecosystems. The history of internet in India began with the launch of the Educational Research Network in 1986. The network was made available only to educational and research communities. EarNet was initiated by the Department of Electronics with funding from the Government of India and United Nations Development Programme, involving 8 premier institutions as participating agencies: NCST Bombay, Indian Institute of Science, 5 Indian Institute of Technology, Delhi, Mumbai, Kanpur, Kharagpur, and Chennai, and the DOE in New Delhi. EarNet began as a multi-protocol network with both the TCP IP and the OSI IP protocol stacks running over the leased line portion of the backbone. Since 1995, however, almost all traffic is carried over TCP IP. The first leased line of 9.6 kbit was installed in January 1991 between Delhi and Mumbai. EarNet was allotted Class B IP address 144.16.0.0 by Inter-NIC in 1990. Subsequently, Class C addresses were allotted to EarNet by APNIC. All IITs, IISc Bangalore, DOE Delhi, and NCST Mumbai were connected by 9.6 kbit leased line from 1992. In the same year, 64 kbits internet gateway line was commissioned from NCST. EarNet was allotted class BIP address 144.16 by Inter INIC in 1990. Subsequently, Class C addresses were allotted to ARNet by UPNIC. All IITs, IISc Bangalore, DOE Delhi and NCST Mumbai were connected by 9.6 kbit leased line by 1992. In the same year, 64 kbits Internet Gateway link was commissioned from NCST Mumbai to UUNet in Virginia, United States. Thank you.